Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are, some wireless charger for your phone or for your Apple Watches right here, and these come separately. So first thing first, I'm actually opening up both of these to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So I think I'm gonna start with this one right here first. Let's open it up. So when we pull it out, you guys can see that that is basically what it looks like inside. So they provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then right underneath that is a bunch of stuff right here. So they do provide you guys a 30 watt USB-C power adapter or wall charger right here. If you can see USB-C right there. That's what it looks like on this side. And there's the wall charger right there. So in terms of the charger that's provided for you guys right here, which is the 30 watt wall charger adapter, when you guys use this product, you guys can actually use 2 of these and 2 of the Apple Watch charger at the same time, because for this one 30 watts wall charger, it actually would support the correct speed to charge all 4 of them at a good speed. But if you're planning to get more than 3 of these and charge 3 devices at the same time, in order for you guys to get the correct power to charge all 3 devices at the same time, if you guys are using 3 of these, you do need to use a 65 watts wall adapter or wall charger that you can get from this brand, or you can get from any other brands that's available out there for you guys. But basically the maximum for the 65 watts wall charger, if you guys plan on using that, you actually can support 3 of these right here and 2 of these right here, which is the Apple Watch chargers. So definitely really important for you guys to remember which wall adapter, which wall charger in terms of the power to use for how many of these devices at the same time. So 30 watts can support 2 of these at the same time while using 2 of these at the same time for your Apple Watch. But if you guys are planning to use more than 3 of these and 2 Apple Watch chargers, you definitely need to get a 65 watts wall charger. They do provide you guys a cable right here, which is USB-C to USB-C, and it is a nylon braided cable, which is a high quality cable compared to normal cables. And last but not least, we have the actual product itself right here. So the way how you guys connect the actual product itself, as you see connected right now, is magnetic. So you can see if I pull it out, it's really easy to pull it out. So if you guys buy the single part or double part and you just want to expand it, you can just go like that. So same thing on this side as well, and same thing on this side as well. So if you guys buy 5 of these, you can just stick it like that and continue on for however long you guys want it to be. And on top part right here, you can see there's the outlet right there that you want to plug in the cable to activate it. So I believe once you guys plug in the cable here or here, it actually would generate the battery through the actual product itself right here and transfer over here as well. But we'll find out whether or not that is true in a second. But definitely love the magnetic option right here, which is super cool. You guys can definitely put your phone on here to do wireless charging or whatever. And we turn on the back part right here, you guys can see they do have the anti-skid material to prevent the product itself from moving around when you guys are using it to charge your device. So that's the first product that we have right here. Let me show you the other one as well. So when we take out this one right here, this is what it looks like inside. So they do provide you guys a user manual right here as well to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And right underneath that, you guys can see the actual product itself right here. So they do provide you guys a cable right here as well, and this one is USB to USB-C. And the cable itself, it is nylon braided as well, so it is a high quality cable. But right here we have that product, so let's take it out first. But right here we have the product, so all you guys need to do is just put your Apple Watch on here and charge it. Or if you guys want to, you can push it up like this. Then you guys can actually use that to charge your phone like that as well. If you guys look at the inside, that is basically what the inside looks like right there. So it is a built-in Apple Watch cable charger, which is pretty awesome. And then once you guys are done using it, if you guys want to push it down, you definitely can as well. Just like that. It's definitely super convenient. If you guys take a look at the side right here, they have the same thing that I showed you guys on our other product. So all you guys need to do is put it side by side to connect it together, which I'll show you guys that in a second. On top right here, they do have the plug outlet here as well, which is USB-C. So you want to plug in your cable to recharge it or activate it right here. And when we look at the back part right here, you can see the same thing as on the back part right here, the anti-skid material. But for this one, you can see the back part right here, and you guys can actually push it up like this and open up, and you can see the cable inside there, which is pretty awesome. So they do provide guys a small little cable right here that you guys can actually unplug if you guys want to use it somewhere else instead of using the actual product itself like this. So if you guys are wondering what kind of like Apple Watch you guys can actually use on the actual product itself, you guys can actually use it from like Series 1 to Series 6 for the Apple Watch series. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself right here, and the other one as well. Let me put it together to show you guys what it actually looks like before we actually test it out. Alright, so we got 2 of them right here, and here's the other one as well. I'm gonna put it right in the middle so you guys can see all 3 of them. So unplug this one here, put this one right here like this, and then the other one here as well. And that's basically what it looks like once you guys put it all together. So this is what the final product looks like if you guys put all 3 of them together. If you guys want to put more, you definitely can as well, like I mentioned. But we're just gonna work with 3 right now. So let me actually go try this out to see when it actually works first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product all set up right here. So I got my 2 devices right here, which is my phone, and we got my watch right here. So you can see when we plug it in, there is an indicator light right here, and it pops up for both of these as well when you guys plug it in, but it's not showing now. But once you guys put your device on here, the light should pop on, but it should work. So let's try it out. Alright, so you can see that it's charging right there, but the battery is completely dead, so I do need to let that fully charge. Let's try both of these now. So I'll put my first phone here. Alright, so that one's charging and you see the light pops on here. Let's try our last one. Alright, so that one's charging as well and you see the light pops on. So you can see that all three devices are all charging at the same time. So like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to add another one here and add another one here, you definitely can as well. If you want to remove one of them like this and use that one separately, you definitely can as well. But right now it's charging both of these at the same time right here, if you guys can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I guess I'll quick test the product itself, you guys can see that all three of them does work at the same time. If you guys want to use more, you definitely can as well. But definitely love the way how to design this product itself. It's so cool and so convenient. Like let's say if you guys want to use all three at the same time, you definitely can. But let's say all of a sudden you guys don't want to use this one, you guys can just take that out. And then now you guys are using these two right here. And if you guys don't want to use this one, you guys can unplug that one as well. And you guys can start using that one right there. Like you literally don't even need to plug in any cable together other than the top part right here. And obviously if you guys want to use separately, so like if you guys want to plug in cable for this one and plug in cable for this one, you definitely can as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So I definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially based on everything that I mentioned earlier, like the flexibility, how you guys can actually unplug one of these and use two of them, or you can actually unplug all of them and just use one of them at a time. You definitely can do that. Or if you guys want to buy more of these and have like maybe 5 or 7 of these and use all of them at the same time, you definitely can do that as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.